we talk about the Zeta potential, and people don't really understand what that means. More importantly, how does that Zeta potential get compromised in the body? What are some of the elements that can affect that not operating correctly?
Zeta potential deals with surface charge. And this is what was considered and what I considered when I was evaluating the safety and efficacy of MasterPeace. Surface charge deals with electromagnetics, and we all know that on magnets they have a negative and positive side. We know in human biology the magnetics of the human cell. It has a positive and negative side. So what did Warburg say? The surface charge is negative. That's zeta potential. The magnetic charge inside the cell, that's zeta potential, but it's opposite polarity. Opposite polarity. So the purpose of having a negative charge on cells is to repel each other. But here again, it's to protect that cell membrane where all the intelligence is. Has nothing to do with DNA. Has everything to do with the microzyma, the small intelligent being, the dust particle that makes up every living cell. So when we're talking about surface charge, or we're talking about zeta potential, whether it is a negative polarity or a positive polarity, and we understand that playing with magnets as kids and picking stuff up like lead on a magnet, and looking at it. And that's what you're dealing with. And white blood cells work on electromagnetics. So neutrophils, granulocytes, they pick up toxins and they adsorb them and absorb them into the body. What happens to a white cell if it doesn't get rid of its contents? Do we write a paper and say, well, white cell is bad, that neutrophil? Wow, I died because, this white cell was picking up garbage. I mean, it was full of it. You see, that's how zeta potential works. That's how the zeolite works, by as a surface charge with negative attracting positive toxins.